Hi, I'm Morgan from Aurora Middle School, and today I'll be showing you hands-on equations. So to start off, we're going to show you what I have. So a red cube equals a positive number. So for instance, this is a positive 7. And then the green cubes equal a negative constant. And so I would have a negative 3. The blue pawns equal a x. It could be positive or negative. And then the white pawns equal the opposite of whatever this is. So it could also be positive or negative. So our first problem we have is going to be 4x plus 3 equals 6x plus 7. Or not, it's not 6x. That really looks like a 6. That's a 2. Sorry, folks. So here we have 4x, so 1, 2, 3, 4 blue pawns, plus 3 equals, so the middle of our scale is right here, and that is the equal sign, 2x plus 7. So, to begin with, we're going to get rid of these two blue pawns. So we're going to add one white pawn to each side, and then we can take away a pair of 0 from each side. And then we're going to add one more white pawn to each side to take one more pair of 0 away. Then we have 7 equals 3 plus 2x. So then we need to get rid of this 3. And to do that, we're going to add the opposite, a negative 3 to each side. So we're going to put that right here. And this equals a pair of 0. And then these two together equal a 4. So we have 2x equals 4. And then we divide 4 divided by, so you divide these by 2, and you divide 4 by 2, and you get 1x equals 2. Lastly, we're going to divide 4 divided by 2 and get 2, and 2x divided by 2 to get 1x. So our answer is 1x equals 2. Our next problem is the opposite of 3x plus 2 equals the opposite of 10 plus x. And this can be also spaced out as negative 10 because it is a constant, not a variable. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to add one white pawn to each side of the scale. So one white pawn, and then we're going to take away the pair of 0 and put that away on the side. Then we have 10 equals 2 plus 4x. So now we're going to get rid of this 2. To do that, we need to add a green 2 to each side. So a green 2 and a green 2. And that would make this a pair of 0. So now we have 12 equals the opposite of 4x. So to do this, we have negative 12 equals the opposite of 4x. And we're going to divide each side by a negative 4. So negative 4 divided by a negative 4 equals 1x. And then negative 12 divided by negative 4 equals positive 3. So 1x equals 3. Our last problem is the opposite of 3x plus 5 plus x equals 2x plus negative 3. So first we're going to take away a pair of 0 from this side, which is one blue pawn and one white pawn. Get those up there. Then we're going to get rid of these two blue pawns by adding one white pawn to each side. And that's a pair of 0. Then we can add one more white pawn to each side and create the last pair of 0. The next thing we're going to do is going to get rid of this red 5. And to do that, we are going to add a green 5 to each side. This green 5 would make this a pair of 0 and make this an 8. So we're going to take that away and add this 8. Then we're going to take negative 4 divided by negative 4x divided by negative 4 to get 1x, and negative 8 divided by negative 4 to get 2. So our answer is 1x equals 2. Thanks for watching my hands-on equation video, and I hope you learned something. Till next time.